As this is an international language testing system which is powered by IDP, assess the level of candidate. So my name is Nisha and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number is 110584. Okay, are you ready for speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My full name is Manpreet Kaur and my legal name is. I am a female. I live in New Grain Market, surrounded this further outside. But I am not working. I am studying.
Okay. How much work do you do in a week? How much work do you do in a week? Do you have to work on weekends as well?
Yes, sir. Nothing. I having problem.
Do you have to work on weekends as well?
Yes,
Remove the mask. Do you like the place where you work?
do you have to?
Do you like the place where you work?
Where to work? Yes, when I was in small child, my family had, me and my grandfather had went to a park and my grandfather had brought a bicycle for me, but my grandfather helped with me.
Okay. What would make your work more interesting?
Their places are very easy. When I was in small stage, but I having problem for taking a liquor and every day me and my mother helped with me and I was enjoying.
Okay. I asked some questions related to your age, right? Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Yes,
Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Yes, I am happy because my friend I made a new friend. My friend is named Rishana. When I was in a school, but nobody helped me.
Okay. When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future? Do people changes as they grow older? Do people changes as they grow older?
Many people have to join outside because in India, but nobody dare people because they are becoming a hotel. And during 2019, they are on lockdown. Many people will not go outside.
Okay. Do you think you have changed as you have got older?
Good. Many people had joined a golden temple.
What will be different about your life in the future?
I will they are becoming my exam for IELTS and I will get in 7 band. Then I can go with my family in Canada. But my mother and father was me. I will share with my parents. And then I was sad.
Okay. Is childhood the happiest time in a person's life?
Yes, I am happy in my life, future in my life. But when I was in plus 1, plus 2, but I do not have a extra time, but I do to study, and I will not watch in the TV and mobile phones. And then in this year, but I do not use in mobile phone because I do not have a extra time. I do to study.
What kind of celebrations are common in your country?
Okay.
What kind of celebration are common in your country? Is patriotism a kind of celebration?
ਹਾਂਜੀ
Is patriotism is kind of celebration? Celebration.
Sir, when in the 10th class, but I got in 57%. But in 10th class, they are 10 better. But in the plus 2 class, I got in 80%. And because I having a problem, studies problem.
Do all people in your country take part in the same celebrations? And your QCA topic is describe a time when someone apologized to you, and you should say when this happened, what you were doing, and who apologized to you, and explain why they apologized to you. You have to prepare a topic 1 minute. After 1 minute, you will be start, and your time is starts now. And use this. Start.
I have a time when someone apologized to in my life, but here I would like to talk about when someone apologized. When I was in a small state, and I was in a small, I had a problem, so you can feel. And me and my mother had to go to shopping and park, and foreign. And but I did not go check alone. Then, but in 2016 my mother passed out. But I was in prayer. And in 2017 my father had got a second marriage, and I was very happy. And this year 2020, me and my mother had to travel. And me and my mother had to join Haridwar, Uttar Pradesh. I was in enjoy. Me and my mother had cricket, but my family. And my mother had brought in something for me, and I was very happy. When I sat eat, I felt overwhelmed.
I ask some follow-up questions related to your trigger topic. What kind of people are most likely to say sorry?
Sorry. When I was in a small city, and every day me and my mother had to do a check training, and but I do not take alone check training and shopping market.
In what situation do you think people should apologize?
Other people in the other done jobbing and market, shopping, travel. Because many people are went to job and they are earning too money, and people are buying a new house and new car.
Okay dear, thank you so much Priyanka.